All right, Mr. Rubio, I'm showing you what's entitled defendant's consent to appear by video. Did you review that with your attorney, defendant, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
No, ma'am. I don't want to enter a plea.
Do you want to go to jury trial?
Excuse me?
Do you wish to go to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, then please listen to my question. Did you understand by entering into those plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights that the court just gave to you?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain agreement, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, there should be a $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication and $57 for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a top evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
State any evidence to support the plea?
Yes, state offers State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
The only thing I'd ask, Your Honor, is that if you grant the deferred, he lives in Lampasas County. Ask that the probation be transferred to that county.
I'm sorry, which county?
He lives in Lampasas, so I think it's Lampasas County.
Lampasas, Texas.
All right. All right, Mr. Rubio, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am. I am employed. I am currently at work right now.
What do you do?
I do landscaping for a living.
Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have one 6-year-old, and I currently pay $380 for child support a month.
All right. If you're drug tested, what are the results going to be?
Excuse me?
If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
They would be negative, ma'am.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. 2 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine. That'll be probated. Transferred to Lampasas County. $57 restitution for drug testing. Proof of employment within 15 days. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes, upon completion of parenting classes, the remaining of the 120 hours of community service restitution will be waived. Field visits 2 times per month. Probation, is there anything else that he needs?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Rubio, is there anything you need from the court in order to be successful?
I just want to complete my thing so I could get going with my life. That's basically it, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
All right, good luck to you. And we're off the record, Mr. Rubio. Just being a good father is not paying child support. You need to be clean and sober in your child's life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand that.
All right, I'm going to send you all to breakout room number 1. Probation will go over conditions with you.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good day.
Thanks, Judge.
State of Texas versus Gabriel Rubio. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
It's Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Richard Garcia for the defense. Ready, Your Honor?
Are you Mr. Rubio?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Gabriel Enrique Rubio who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3295B for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on June 30th, 2022 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 4. Ventura County, Texas, Defendant Gabriel Enrique Rubio did it in there, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of September 2023 and October 2023, a violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State?
And Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there's not. Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation. Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you
Judge,
requesting?
we're asking that you extend Gabriel for 18 months and send him to the state ISF.
Okay, where has he been since? He's been missing since September of 2023.
He was in Lampasas County Jail.
Since September of 2023?
Yes.
All right, does anybody have any documentation that he was actually in jail in Lampasas?
Lampasas, Judge?
Lampasas. Where is that?
2 hours away from here.
I'm sorry, where?
2 hours away from here.
No, what city is it?
It's Lampasas.
Oh, that's the name of the city. I thought that was the county.
Well, it's both.
Ah, okay.
And Judge, he was reporting by phone.
Judge, the only we have that's alleged on the indictment is that he was in Bell County, like at one point, which is up north.
All right.
Judge, I called. He was in Lampasas from March of this year to June of this year,
So from March 2024.
2024. Yes.
All right, so where has he been since 2023? So I'll excuse the 2024, he's in custody. So where has he been since September 2023?
I believe he was also in custody, but in Bell County.
Just reading from the probation paperwork, he was transferred to Lampasas for his probation, but then he relocated to Bell County. And that's just reading from the excerpt on other concerns you're on.
All right, so any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so the court is, oh, I have it on the computer. I just pulled it out. So according to the court summary, it says that Mr. Gabriel Rubio was permitted to transfer to Lampass County at the onset of his probation and was supervised there from August 29, 2022 through October 19, 2023. He relocated to Bell County without permission and gained 2 additional offenses of possession of drug paraphernalia on April 7, 2023, and assault on August 11, 2023. So according to this, he was not supposed to be in Bell County. He didn't have permission.
That is correct, Judge.
All right. Is there anything else from either side?
State.
The only thing that he does have a child that he's ordered to pay child support. He does have a job lined up in landscaping, but he really wants to better himself, and so he does not want a conviction on his record, and so he wants a second chance. I believe this is his first MTR.
But my question is, Mr. Rubio, why didn't you do these things beforehand? Why does it take somebody being placed in custody for them to all of a sudden want to do better and get their life in order? I don't understand.
I was trying to get my life better, that's why I had moved from San Antonio.
All right. Is there anything else from either side? The court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court will find you guilty. Does anyone want to speak with regards to sentencing? I'm not going to grant him probation.
Judge will prefer to the court.
What are you requesting?
Well, Judge, we would request that you grant him the minimum of 2 years.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Court will give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community that can help you with any drug issues you may have. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right. You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
That's for you.